Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you the chapter simplification and we were solving the questions from exercise 6A and we have completed till question number 10 and we have to start from question number 11. So students, let's begin without wasting time. First let me write the question for you. 9 whole 3 upon 4 divided by big bracket 2 whole 1 upon 6 plus curly bracket. You have to name the brackets while reading the question so that you remember that which bracket is which one. So 2 1 upon 6, after that it is 4 1 by 3, 4 whole 1 by 3. Now minus small bracket 1 1 upon 2 plus 1 3 by 4 small bracket closed and then again curly bracket and then big bracket. Okay students, so this is the question. Now what is the first step? The first step will be to convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions so that you can solve the questions easily. Okay students, so let's begin without wasting time. 4 9s are 36 and 36 plus 3, 39 upon 4. Now converting this one, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 6. Converting this one, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. So I have finished the first step. I have converted all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now moving on to the next step. The next step is to follow the BODMAS rule. So as per the BODMAS rule, we have to solve which bracket first. कौन सा bracket पहले solve होगा? Please comment down in the comment section. Obviously this bracket will be solved first. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 4? If you know the answer, please reply to me in the comment section. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay students. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 upon 4. Here it will be 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 7 upon 4. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 upon 4. Now this small bracket will be removed because we have solved this part. Only curly bracket will be left. After the small bracket, which bracket we have to open? If you know the answer, kindly comment down in the comment section students. Yes, we have to open the curly bracket now. So let's open the curly bracket. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? The LCM of 3 and 4, since both the numbers are co-prime numbers, so their product will be their LCM. अगर कोई ऐसे नंबर हो which do not have any other common factor apart from 1, then their product is their LCM. Now 3 4s are 12. By the same number the numerator has to be multiplied. So 13 4s are 52. 13 3s are, यहाँ पे आपका प्लस का सिंबल, no it's right, there should be minus only. So 13 3s are 39 upon 12. Again big bracket. Since we have solved that, I have not completed yet, so I am not removing the bracket. After adding both the numbers, not adding, subtracting. After subtracting both the numbers, I will remove the curly bracket. ठीक है? 13 4s are 52, 13 3s are 39. Now I have to remove the curly bracket in the next step. So let me rub this. Okay. Now 52 minus 39 is 13. So it will be 13 upon 12. Okay, now I am removing the curly bracket in the next step. So now it will be 13 upon 6. We have solved this part. Here it will be 13 upon 12. 13 upon 12. Since there is a symbol of addition, so I am placing the symbol of addition over here. Now please tell me in the comment section what is the LCM of 6 and 12. What is the LCM of 6 and 12? The LCM of 6 and 12 is 12, and since 12 comes in the table of 6, that is why 12 is the LCM. Same we have to do with the numerator. 6 has to be multiplied by 2, 13 will also be multiplied by 2. So 26 plus 13 upon 12. Now it will be 39 upon 4 divided by 39 upon 12. So how we have to divide the fractions? How do we divide the fractions? Take the reciprocal of the second fraction, multiply it with the first one. Let me rub this so that it should be clear. I am solving it above. How do we divide the fractions? ये आपका पहला fraction है, this one first one, this one is second one. So take the reciprocal of the second fraction, multiply it with the first one. This is how we are dividing the fractions. So 39 ones are 39 ones are, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. So what is the final answer of question number 11, students? The final answer of question number 11 is 3. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 12. ये जो questions होते हैं simplifications के, they appear very complicated, but if you are going to follow steps, each and every steps, if you will not miss any step by step, if you will solve, then your answer will be correct. If you want to solve the question in one single step, directly करना चाहते हो तो बहुत confusion होगी and the answer will also be wrong. Now let's move on to question number 12. First let me rub this. This you have to do in your maths classwork copy. Okay students? So question number 12 is 4 whole 1 upon 10 minus big bracket 2 1 upon 2 minus curly bracket 5 by 6 minus small bracket 2 upon 5 plus 3 by 10 minus 4 upon 15 minus 4 upon 15 small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, big bracket closed. So this is question number 12. Now what is the first step students? The first step is to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 1, 41 upon 10 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, 5 upon 6, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 minus 4 by 15. Now please students tell me which bracket I have to remove first. You have to tell me by the name of the bracket. You have to mention which bracket I have to remove first. Curly bracket, small bracket, big bracket. Kindly comment down in the comment section. Yes students, very good. Firstly I have to remove the small bracket. Now in order to remove the small bracket, there are 3 terms given in the small bracket. 1, 2, 3. In total there are 3 terms. So as per the BODMAS rule, positive is also there in the bracket and negative is also there in the bracket. So how will you proceed students? Firstly you will add the positive. क्योंकि BODMAS rule के according once you are writing BODMAS MAS multiply then add and then subtract. तो पहले आप क्या करेंगे? You will add. So 2 by 5 plus 3 upon 10 will be solved first and the result आप उसमें से 4 upon 15 subtract कर लेंगे. Now what is the LCM of 5 and 10? It is 10 because 10 comes in the table of 5. So here it will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So in the small bracket here it will be 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon 15. This much is left in the small bracket. Here it will be curly bracket, big bracket and then 41 upon 10. One by one you have to solve. Now kindly tell me what is the LCM of 10 and 15. If you know the answer, comment down in the comment section or else wait for me to find out the LCM. It should be 30 I think. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Yes, it is 30. The LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now to make it 30, 10 has to be multiplied by 3. To make it 30, 15 को आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो सेम नंबर से आपको न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 10 को अगर आपने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 7 हैज़ टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3. इफ़ यू हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 15 बाई 2, 4 हैज़ टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. सो नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग द स्मॉल ब्रैकेट क्वेश्चन. 41 by 10 minus 5 by 2 minus curly bracket 5 by 6 minus small bracket. Now 7 3s are 21, 4 2s are 8 and the LCM was 30. So now let me close the brackets. Now please students tell me what is 21 minus 8. It is 13. 21 minus 8 is 13. So let me write the next step for you. Now we have solved the small bracket part. अब यहाँ पे आपका क्या रहेगा? Only curly bracket is left. 5 by 2 minus curly bracket 5 upon 6 minus 21 minus 8 was 13 upon 30. Now what will be the next step? Which bracket will be removed, students? Curly bracket. Now tell me what is the LCM of 6 and 30? The LCM of 6 and 30 is 30. क्या है आपका 30? Because 30 comes in the table of 6. So now it is 5 by 2. In curly bracket it will be 25 minus 13 upon 30. Okay students? Now 25 minus 13 is 12. 25 minus 13 is 12 upon 30. Now the curly bracket is also removed, only square bracket is left. Now let's move on to remove the square bracket. So what is the LCM of 2 and 30? The LCM of 2 and 30 will be 30 because 30 is divisible by 2. You can, if you want, you can solve the LCM in the rough column and check. So मैं आपको करके दिखा देती हूँ. 2 1s are 2 15s are, then 3 5s are, and then again 5 1s are 5, 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So the LCM of 2 and 30 is 30. So to make it 30, 2 has to be multiplied by 15. Same we have to do with the numerator. So now it will be 15 5s are 75 minus 12 upon 30. Now this is the last step which will remove the big bracket. So what is 75 minus 12? 75 minus 12 is 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 1 6. 63 upon 30. Now students, tell me what is the LCM of 10 and 30? The LCM of 10 and 30 is again 30 because 30 comes in the table of 3. So numerator has to be multiplied by the same number. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 123 minus 63 upon 30. Now what is 123 minus 63? It will be 60. It will be 60. So 60 upon 30. 0 will be cancelled by 0. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So the final answer of this question is 2. What is the final answer of this question? 2. So I hope you must have understood question number 10, question number 11. Question number 12 is your homework. Only 3 questions are left. We will be doing those 3 questions in the next exercise. Question number 12 is your homework. Kindly do it in your homework copy by your own. If you will be facing any difficulty, any problem in this question, you can contact to your respective class teachers. That query will come to me. And if you have understood, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay happy.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.